In just 2 steps, you can create a cord keeper to keep your cords tangle-free and easy to find. For this DIY, you will need an E-cutter with mat and blade, faux leather, rivets or snaps, as well as the free SVG file found at the bottom of this video. Start by uploading the free SVG files to your E-cutter design software. Here I have the 4 different designs uploaded to Cricut Design Space. For each cord keeper design, you'll see there are 2 slits to hold cords, as well as 2 holes to keep the cord keeper shut. To make sure each cord keeper cuts correctly, you will need to attach the slits to the cord keeper design. To do this, select the cord keeper and the slits in one stroke, and then select the Attach tool on the right-hand Tools panel. With your cord keepers ready to go, click the green Make button, and then on the final cut screen, make sure you select faux leather as your cut material. Here, my faux leather has come out of the machine. Notice how the faux leather cuts beautifully and peels right off the mat. The slits are all cut for you, as are the holes, although you may need to peel away the small pieces of faux leather. All that's left to do is to add your rivet or snap to the center hole on the cord keeper. I'm going to use rivets because that's what I have on hand. You'll need a post, as well as the base part of the rivet, a stand, and the anvil. Your kit may include a piercing tool. This is used to make holes. Since I've already provided the holes for you, you won't need this part of the kit. Start by threading the post half of either your snap or your rivet through the center hole in the cord keeper. Snap on the other side. Place your base down onto your work surface. With your shiny side of the faux leather down, place the rivet into the base and then the anvil on top of the rivet. With a few whacks of the hammer, cinch the 2 sides of the rivet down together. If you're using a snap, you're going to want to cinch the 2 sides down really tight. If you're using a rivet, try to keep it a little looser so that the top of the cord keeper can close down over it. All that's left to do is to insert your cords into the cord keeper. Fold them up to the same width as your cord keeper. Slide them through the open slits. And then fold or roll the cord keeper up. If using a snap, just snap together. If using a rivet, you're going to need to work the open hole over the rivet. The first time you do this, it'll be pretty tight. But after the first time, the leather will be loosened up and you'll be able to unbutton and rebutton your cord keeper without problem. Crease the edges down, and then make as many cord keepers as you need to keep all of the cords and chargers you like to keep handy at all times.